Dear ladies and gentlemen, as you might have realized from my previous video, I love traveling, and since the last trip was a great success, why the hell did you convince me to come here? Here I am again, far from a busy city. For those of you who haven't watched my previous video, I just want to remind you how important it is to find your true connection with Mother Nature. No internet, no laptops, no smartphones. Only you and the nature. Enjoy your precious, technology-free experiences.
What a view! It's fantastic. Look at this. But Asi, what are you doing?
I'm doing a post for Facebook. Why? Yay! I already have 13 likes.
Well, can't you do it when we're home?
No, because Jessica already has 12 likes.
Oh, what, another one? Asi, come on, this is the, I don't know, 100th selfie that you're doing today. It's getting late, it's getting dark, we have to go.
How else am I supposed to remember my beautiful experience in Mother Nature? Mom, can you hear me? I just wanted to show you the view. Yeah, I'll be home in 2 hours, but like I want to show you now. I know I filmed everything, but I want to show you now. Okay? Okay, bye, Mom. Bye. No, I just wanted to show you the view. Now I want to call Granny. I want to show her as well.
Why did you stop again?
Oh, wait a second.
Another selfie.
Yeah, I know we did a lot, but the sun wasn't that good. It's just the last one. I may even look younger in this light. The last trip was a great success.